What's up, guys? This is the glitch coming at you guys again with another video. And what we have today is a master lock, spring-loaded master lock. I'm going to be using my pick tool, homemade, and I got my homemade tension tool. So let's see if I can pick this lock open. Opened. Very simple. Let's see if I can do that again. Opened. Not very hard. Simple lock to pick. So you people that are just learning out there, you might want to go get yourself a spring-loaded master lock. Very easy to pick. You guys can find a lot of help, support on the internet. One of the best sites to go to is the bumpkeyforum.com. You guys can have a lot of help there. So just go ahead and visit the site, become a member. It's all hobbies, nothing illegal, and learn how to pick some locks.